The structure we will use for this project is as follows. First, we create an index.html. We need an assets folder for the CSS styles and JavaScript code. Style.css. Script.js. Now we can begin writing the HTML code. Let's get started. This is the initial structure of our HTML code. I need to link the CSS styles. At the bottom of the body tag, we include the JavaScript file. Script.js. As mentioned in the introductory video, this minigame includes Phone Awesome icons. Let's head over the official Phone Awesome website. The first step to implement Phone Awesome icons is to click on Start for free. If you don't have an existing account, you must enter your email address in the input file. Agree the terms of service and privacy policy. We click on Send Kit Embed Code to receive an email from Phone Awesome and continue with the account creation process. If you already have an account created, click on Already Have an Account. After sign in, we select our kit. This is the script we need to add to our project in order to use Phone Awesome icons. We simply copy and paste it. We now have the general structure of Tic Tac Toe. In the next video, we will continue with the HTML code.